Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete various different missions on the Ramboat game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ramboat game on your device, and when you open up and start playing your game, you will see your currently active missions at the top right corner. Now, when you look at these missions, you will not know what the requirements are. So simply tap on each of these requirements and you will now be able to see what your current missions are. When you complete each of these missions, you will get certain rewards and you will be upgraded to a higher level. After that mission is completed, the mission list will be updated and you will find a new mission to complete every time you complete a mission. So in this case, we have quite an easy mission which we can complete right now by diving 3 times in one game. So let's complete this by resuming our game. Now, as soon as we perform our third dive, you will see that the requirement has been fulfilled. Now, you can try to complete multiple missions during one single gameplay. So if you manage to do this, then after your gameplay is over, you will be given the reward associated with those missions that you have completed. And instead of these missions, new ones will appear. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to complete missions and get rewards on the Ramboat game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.